Hi everybody, this is Pam from Jesusjunkjournals, and I have a brand new kit. I'm going to show you the pages here real quick. So it is on the book of Mark because I'm doing all the Gospels. I have Matthew out there already, and now we have Mark. So these are the pages to the actual journal that you would make, and this is 15 pages, which turns into a 60-page journal, and then you can add your own pages as however you want. So we have this page, let's see, and a lot of vintage papers and Bible. I tried to use things that would kind of go with the Middle East and the Bible, so I've got pomegranates and things like that. Grapes and pomegranates, figs, olives, and this is a mandrake, which if you remember, Leah and Rachel had a thing with mandrakes, and water lilies, because on the Nile and in Egypt they had water lilies. So those are the pages. Okay, I am back. I had to go downstairs and get the rest of the kit, or actually the add-on kit. So the first part that I showed you was the main kit, which is the actual journal pages. And now this is the add-on kit. And it comes in King James Version, or you can get it New American Standard Version, two separate kits on Etsy. So I've got this page, let's see. Here's the other one. I've got this page of just scripture cards, and then I've got this page with tags that have scriptures from Mark, and then this card. So those are all in King James or New American Standard, depending on which one you get. And then we have the 3 stacked pockets. And then this is just a square pocket that you can cut out and use as a pocket, or you could just use it as a card if you wanted to. And then we have an add-on flap or page that folds in, and you can put pockets behind it. And then I have 2 tops for notepads. We're going to make notepads. One of them will go behind this, in my journal anyway. And here we have a page of pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets with an old vintage beautiful botanical painting, and then the Gospel of Mark in the background. Then I'm going to do the 4 flap box fold that I do on a lot of my kits, and it's highlighting Mark 11:24. So these are the parts of that. And I used a lot of old writing and an old family Bible that I scanned in with Mark. These are all parts of that with honeysuckle drawings for that. And then we have another add-on flap with this pocket that will go on the cover, and then this will go on the inside. And then 3 different size envelopes and a little card to tuck into this little one. And we have an accordion pocket flap envelope that we'll make. And then this is a little piece of ephemera that we're going to make. And then these are 2. This goes over this, and it's a continual illustration of poppies, an old vintage painting of poppies that's really pretty. And each flap, when you raise it up, it'll have 2 pockets under it. And we're going to do 4 altered paper clips with animals from the Bible. And we're going to do, here's the rest of that accordion pocket. And then these are journaling cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can cut them up and use them as journaling cards, or if you want to, they're the same size as these scripture cards. And so you can cut them up and just glue them together if you like to have them thick, and you could even stitch around them or whatever you want to do. But if you'd rather have 16 cards, you can just cut them up and do whatever you want on the backs of them. So that is the add-on kit for Mark. And I am going to go and start trimming up my pages and all that. And then I will come back and we'll talk about what's next. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.